this is Makola. Kejetia, this is Makola. Purely satiric, you laugh and laugh. Kejetia, this is Makola. New kind of cult where everything goes. A kind of cult where everything goes. Or the street meets the law in this funny cult. Inti wu nimra, mesumi nimra. Wu nimra, mesumi nimra. You know the rules, but I know the exceptions. You know the exceptions, but I know the rules. Kejetia, Makola, we all learn the law from Ghana to America.
All rise. For His Lordship, Judge Liezer-Legacy.
What a beautiful day. Please sit.
Thank you.
Punisher. Punisher.
Your Honor.
What is happening?
Nothing, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm very good.
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor.
What is it?
Your Honor, Punisher looks very distracted today.
Punisher. Punisher.
Sir?
What's that?
Your Honor, nothing, Your Honor. It's just that
Your Honor,
come here, I was thinking about the bed and the bed.
your Punisher here, look at my woman here and do like
Your
this.
what?
My woman. Do like this.
Your woman.
Yeah.
Cancel.
So tell
How
him.
many times must I school you not to use that kind of language?
Your woman,
Why do you refer to her as a woman?
because we are on her side defending her.
No, she's your client.
Yes, client. Your Honor,
A
Punisher.
plaintiff.
Yes, or plaintiff.
Or her name.
Her name, yes. Punisher, look here and then do like this. Why? Why you do that?
Punisher. Punisher.
Sir, Your Honor.
Your Honor, that's good.
Ms. Texan is suing Mr. Owusu on the count of rape. She avers that the defendant, her brother-in-law, came back to the apartment where they live, pounced on her and had his way with her without seeking for her consent.
Punisher.
Seeking for her consent. She is therefore seeking a compensation of 600,000 Ghana cedis. She is also pleading with the court to jail Mr. Owusu for life. For life!
Punisher.
Punisher.
He had a life.
Your Honor.
Who asked you for life?
Is there.
Is there for life.
The way he stressed the thing.
I have to. You don't
Punisher,
do that-
finish it for me.
You don't do that to a beautiful woman like that.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, come on.
Punisher.
Your Honor, for life. These and any other reliefs, the court will deem appropriate. You see what I do to you after the court proceedings.
Objection, Your Honor. Your bailiff just threatened our client.
He did?
Yes,
He
Your
said
Honor.
you
You see what I'll do to you after the court.
He did?
Yes.
Your Honor.
I didn't hear it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your Honor, today
Interesting.
your bailiff has tear chain. What tear chain, just like that.
All right, so let's get to the case then. Rape?
Okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
Rape.
Yeah. Rape. One of the most important things in the world. Rape. I don't like at all.
All right, so let's get on with it then.
Your Honor, this is a case, like I said, very important to me. Somebody is in your house. Then you come from, I don't know where. Then you come and sleep with him without confirmation. Your Honor, if you want to sleep with somebody, you talk. Your Honor, if you want to sleep with somebody, you say, hello, you like me? You say, I like you. I want to sleep with you? You say, yes. Then you sleep on him. Then that one, how many times is, because your confirmation is there. Your Honor, this man.
You want me to correct you again?
Which one?
How are you referring to him?
I'm fine. Your Honor,
Counsel.
this man, if you see this woman, look at him. Such light off, then you come and do correct electricity. What do you mean?
Objection, Your Honor. Name calling.
Who? I call who?
Well,
He pointed at our client and said, "Such light off." How is our client such light off?
how can light off be your client's name?
So why will you point at him and say such light off?
Counsel.
If I point here and say red call ticket, say, will somebody take offense?
Counsel. Let's not do these things. Let's make progress. Counsel.
If you call me red,
And
here.
you two, stop the
You
name
have
calling.
not say anything.
Stop the name
Some
calling.
people even call me billboard. I don't care. That red politics here. You don't let me go on. Somebody like Doomsaw, you come to here. Correct thermal plant. 24-hour electricity. Then you come and do something without confirmation.
Consent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Without confirmation. Is it good? Is it good,
Consent.
Your Honor? Neho sent it so they die. It's true. You are sitting with him, so you sent.
No, I mean consent.
That one is a different story for another day. So, Your Honor, this man come to the house. This beautiful woman is watching TV and maybe sleep. That time, you didn't say that you come home very early or something. So, see there, she's sleeping. You come now, you cry, you don't watch TV in the house. I don't know, that day, you decide to come and lie on the akuna that this woman is watching the TV on. By the time the woman open her eyes, you see, normal time, if you are sleeping and you are open your eyes, then you open your eyes. But the time this doomsaw is doing that thing, the way your eye roll into the back if something is doing you. Your Honor, you have experienced before.
No.
So you know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
If somebody is lying down, you going, you don't know what.
No.
Okay, then I'll change it.
Let's go.
If somebody is lying down, you going for you don't see their eye before.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Then you like from the back, you. Because if you sleep on, you see the eye that roll. That's what this man. So the woman think he's dreaming. He's dreaming. Then he finished. Your Honor, if this thing happened to you, and there's somebody that you don't expect, somebody that you don't even respect, somebody that he do it to you, it painful past anything. You just do it and you can't apologize, right? You can't apologize. So it caused him heart attack and emotional things. Look at it. First, he don't sit down and do this. But today, look at it. Always do this. Find a yellow CC. Then you do this to her. So, Your Honor, that's why we've come to the court to attend to the rape and then also fine Mr. Owusu 600,000 cedis for the woman, 600,000 cedis for General, 600,000 cedis for me, so that we can bring her back to normal factory setting. Then you also jail Mr. Nana for life.
Mr. Who?
Nana Owusu. For life in a room prison with Punisher, so that Punisher show him something.
Okay.
Thank you very much. The rest of our case.
All right. Thank you, counsel. Opposing counsel.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Your Honor, I don't think this is anything that it's not a laughing matter. This is quite a serious case. Like you said, I have special interest when it comes to sexual assaults and rape and whatnot. Because as you know, I'm a feminist. I support the women's movement. I support the right of a woman to choose.
Counsel.
Your Honor,
No dancing.
I am not dancing, Your Honor.
Straight
This
to the
is
point.
not even funny or...
Straight to the point.
Your Honor, that is exactly what I'm doing. Now, Your Honor, let us establish the concept of rape and the crime of rape. Your Honor, rape has been clearly defined in the criminal code. That is section 97. And it says, in fact, 98 defines it, 97 creates the offense. Now, rape is the carnal knowledge of a female of 16 years or above without her consent. So, Your Honor, clearly the elements are 16 years without consent. And of course, there should also be carnal knowledge. And like I said, without her consent. Your Honor, this is a very serious accusation on my client here. Very serious. However, the same constitution and the same laws of Ghana gives us the right to also speak our side. That is the audi alteram partem. Your Honor, the simple defense we have is a mistake of fact. Your Honor, yes, all these elements have been established. My client admits to the fact that these things occurred. He had carnal knowledge with the very beautiful plaintiff here. Hi.
Counsel.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yes.
Why do you have to tell our client hi? Why? Objection, you two, Your Honor. Why are client to smile for him? Our client not smile. It's I that you do that our client look at him and say that, why are you smile at me? So you don't like that. So why do that? Tell
All right,
them
so you both agree that you don't have a
yeah.
almost said sensible objection.
True. So, Your Honor, yes, he did have carnal knowledge.
Yes.
Because the least penetration...
Counsel,
Your
you have
Honor.
made the point.
Your Honor,
I don't like these details.
Your Honor, it is very important to establish these elements. This is not a case that we are dancing with. This is a very serious case, something that is happening in Ghana, and we must uproot it. Your Honor, please, allow it to be established. Because some people think, I put it inside one pair. It is not part. Your Honor, the least bit of carnal knowledge or penetration amounts to rape.
Point well made.
Your Honor, and we are saying that, yes, my client has admitted to this. But our defense is the mistake of fact. Your Honor, what is the mistake of fact? Your Honor, what we are saying is that my client didn't even know that this wasn't his wife. He came back, after a long day, and he had something small to drink, Your Honor. And then he came back, saw her, and he actually thought it was his wife. So he just went there, Your Honor, and he did the do. Your Honor, she did not, according to my client, she did not, resist or anything. We don't know. So, Your Honor, all we are seeking is that this is a clear case of mistake of fact.
So let me see if I understand both sides well. The case is that the defendant slept with the plaintiff.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the plaintiff is saying it was without consent.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then the defendant is saying he thought it was his wife.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which he has agreed already that I raped him. He has agreed already. So I don't know why he defended.
It was his wife
Yes, Your Honor.
because he was a man on fire.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hey,
Your Honor, just a little clarification. This happened because the plaintiff, the defendant, and the defendant's wife all live in the same apartment. The plaintiff here is the sister-in-law
okay,
of our client.
okay,
That is the wife's little sister.
okay.
So when he came home,
The wife wasn't there.
yes,
The wife's sister was there.
yes,
And then
so
he
he
said-
thought it was the wife, and because he was fire.
All right, so counsel, please call your witness.
Your Honor, we want to call this man into the casket.
Call him where?
Into the casket. Bruh, hurry up to the casket. Your Honor.
Is that how he walks?
Your Honor, he's a very tall man, so...
Is that how he walk?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Highness, that's how I walk.
I'm not your highness.
He see you high, so he high himself.
It's okay. Let's make progress.
Tell this court your full name.
My full name is...
Your Honor, his name is Nanausu.
Nanausu, yes, thank you very much.
Is your
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm just slightly confused and disturbed because of the false accusation.
which one is the false accusation? Counsel, why are you not doing your job?
It's just a case of mistaken. It's just a case of mistaken genitalia, Your Highness.
Your Honor, I want to ask, is your client tipsy or drunk?
I haven't seen
Excuse me,
somebody like
I
you
am
before.
not tipsy. I am fine.
This is your normal you.
Yes.
Your Honor, with respect, my client has a little bit...
Liezer-Legacy Productions, producers of Kejetia vs. Makola, in partnership with Joy Prime, presents The Play.
Look here, we cannot blame Boateng for having a lover who all this while was pretending to be my lover so that you will not suspect. While I was your lover pretending to be her lover so that Boateng will not suspect.
Come watch this breathtaking comedy by Luis Lamis, starring Clemento Suarez, Ngio, General Ntatia, and many more.
The Play movie train stops in Kumasi at the Royal View Cinemas from the 29th of April to the 3rd of May. At the Silverbed Cinemas at the West Hills and Accra Mall from 11th of June. Rate is a cool 50 Ghana cedis. You can also catch the special viewing of the play at the Platinum Bay Hotel at Bokobi on the 30th of April. Going for a cool 150 Ghana cedis with special refreshments.
For ticket reservation, call or WhatsApp 020-129-2000 or 055-250-5073. The Play. You play me, I play you.
Of a drunk, alcoholic problem. But he is not, no, he has not gotten to a state of intoxication where he has lost all consciousness or lost all sanity.
Yes.
So I'm sure he's still fit to be a witness in this court.
How many fingers?
If you are at risk of paying...
How many fingers?
It's changing.
Your Honor, you can see that he can tell.
It's 4, 3, 4, 5.
All right,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Your Honor, if you have drink before and you drink power before and somebody asks you that,
His face is funny. Sorry.
your whole life is funny, but you don't know. Somebody asks you that, are you drunk or tipsy? You will say no. But you say, my fine. That's what this man said. He said, I'm fine.
Yes, I am.
You make fine?
Yes, I'm very fine. Thank you.
When your honor asks you something, you say that it's because of the false accusation. What is the false accusation?
That I've raped somebody.
So
It's not true.
but what happened?
It's a case, I was telling your highness that it's a case of mistaken genitalia. You see, I came, can I say what happened?
Say, don't
Okay.
say.
I came home from town, you know, and I entered the hall and there was someone I thought was my wife. Because they are the same, when the light is
Everything.
off,
Yes.
and they are even under the bed, you can see them.
Good.
Because of the, yes.
Good.
So she was lying there and she was You see how a woman lies
I
down?
know.
and the
Sometimes it's
hips-
like this.
Yeah, this one, yes.
Yeah.
So you stay there, you see. So when I came from behind. So I put my hand here and I did this. He didn't say anything.
Good.
So I brought it here.
Wait.
And I did
Okay, so let's stop the experimentation and then the practicals. And then
I just show you something small to continue.
So say what you're saying. Now finish it.
So
yes.
there was no resistance of it. I ended up here, and there was no resistance, and I did this one, and so I thought the way was my front, and I went.
Good.
But there was a little difference. I noticed, but I didn't think it was a big deal. Because my wife, she doesn't like giddy giddy giddy. She likes like crucify me, and she just do and we are okay. But in this case, and then she just grabbed me like this. Then she puts me on.
Yana!
Then she
He gave me up!
Order! Sorry.
Order!
I'm sorry. So
Are you okay?
No.
I'm sorry.
That thing, the poem the kids sing. What is it? The one that fell from the wall.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Yeah.
Humpty
It's
Dumpty
okay.
had a great fall.
That's okay, fine.
She-
I just wanted to.
She made me very useless. But I thought maybe she's trying something. So the following morning, I see my, I said, "Hey, sweetie, that's nice." It was, I said, "No, what's that?" I was all night service. So I said, "So who was it?" He said, "It wasn't me." I thought, okay, then maybe I was dreaming. Then I wake up one day and 600,000 and this is so.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah.
But after here, charge him. As he sleep on me, my kotoje hit something. Hey!
Oh.
Your Honor, I want to put it to him before I sit down. If my learned colleague has something, that he is aware. His people have also agreed that they rape.
No. It's not true. That's not what I said.
All right. If you are done, you can.
That they rape the girl.
No.
Than they, who and who?
No.
All of them.
Objection, Your Honor. That is something we'll never do.
All right. So counsel, you are done. You can take your seat.
They say best of the same feather, they go together. You have come together. You say you never do that thing.
All right. Thank you.
Nana Owusu,
Yes, sir.
you are indeed a giant.
Thank you, sir.
Very handsome man.
You're also very handsome.
Thank you very much.
I like your lashes.
No, it's not. It's my natural thing. They born me out. They born
Then
me.
you are beautiful.
Thank you.
God bless you.
You know beautiful things too.
Yes.
Owusu,
Yes, please.
on the said night that the whole thing have happened in the house,
Yes.
which club did you go to before you come house?
Relevance, Your Honor?
Oh,
Exactly. Relevance.
Your Honor, it is very relevant because I want to find something, and at the end, Your Honor, you see for yourself.
Okay. Show us.
Yes. Which club did you go to?
Club Takum by the sea.
Takum by the sea.
Yes.
You go there. Which drink did you take before you get to the state that you say that now I have drink, so it's okay. Let me go home. Which drink do you drink?
Oh, it was some small beer and a few glasses of the Takum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I
And
want
whiskey.
and whiskey.
Yes.
Your Honor, I want him to put him on record that the Takum that he take with the beer, he know the reason why he take the Takum. Put him on record. Now, Your Honor, thank you. Before I sit down finally. I want this honorable court to know that rape is not something that society have to conjure and connive with. Rape is something that when people do that, society have to cut them off from human beings. Say, bam, because somebody thing is there. This woman, her thing is there. He say, I won't give you the thing. You come and take the thing. Look at your hand. Look at your size. You mere hair. Now you come and tell court that she hold you and throw you on top.
Your Honor, if I may, with your permission, address something.
Okay, please.
Your Honor, if I drive a Hyundai Elantra
Okay.
and I have my car key
Okay.
and I step out and where I parked my car, there's a Hyundai Elantra there. I put my key inside, open and it opens and I enter the car. Have I done wrong?
What are you saying?
Wait. Is that you are asking who exactly?
It is to the whole court.
And I want
It's
to
okay. There's no need. All right. Let's not drag that. Okay. You can take your seat.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Your Honor, a few questions, please.
All right. Come back.
Okay, Your Highness.
Your Honor, now, Nana Wusu,
Yes, please.
tell us, what is your relationship like with the plaintiff at home?
Oh, as a relation, she's my sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law.
Yes.
You have a cordial relationship.
I wouldn't say cordial, but we are cool.
Okay.
Yes.
Now tell us, do you have any history of raping or, doing things without consent, to anybody before?
Never in my life. Ever.
Now, in your testimony, you said something about when you started, you touched the leg.
Yes.
And then you brought it up to the thigh, to the
Yes.
hip area.
Yes.
And then you smacked.
I smacked, yes. It was ta.
So, it was ta.
It sounded ta. The sound was, it's a beautiful sound.
And did it feel like your wife's?
Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
And then when you moved it up, what were you trying to achieve with that?
You see, when you are experienced in the game, you don't have to open your mouth to say certain. You have to start, and then when the hand moves off, when they move the hand off, you know that, okay, today is halftime.
So, would you say that was a way of seeking consent?
Yes. Yes.
And then when your hand was not removed, what did you assume?
I assume, okay, the way is my front. It's action time.
So you thought it was implied consent?
Yes.
Through conduct?
Yeah, especially after the smack.
Your Honor,
smack is the toe booth.
let it be known that my client tried, through conduct, to seek consent. Tried with the touching, smacking, but Your Honor, nothing came. So it is only natural for a man who has gone, through the night, taken some takum and is on fire, to assume the way is his
front.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. No further questions
Thank
for
you.
now.
Thank you too.
Please call the. You can.
Your
yes,
Honor,
I can sit down.
before we call our witness,
Please
I
sit,
want
sit,
to call
sit.
this man into the casket
Why?
for verifying something for me. I know that he knows the law more than me sometimes.
Okay.
So maybe he can teach.
He can do it sitting there. He doesn't.
But I need him there.
This is very unorthodox.
Blah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Let me know I'm not on trial.
Yes, he's not.
Okay.
Oh, it's just education for us.
If you say anything and you do not want it to be in our records, we'll scrap
Okay.
it.
Okay. You say that this man, he touched here and come here and smack. Pa! It's a form of.
It was, he said it was his way of trying to seek consent.
And so you say that
It was
a form of.
consent.
Good.
Conduct.
Good. So because of that, he seek consent with that.
Yes, with his wife. Presumably.
Okay. Please, there are many years that you study the law. If somebody come here, we know that he's a thief. We set CCTV camera. Then he's going, nobody is talking. He take laptop, nobody is talking. We take then tomorrow, we go and catch him. We bring the CCTV, we say we catch you. Is he a thief or he seek consent because we look at him, he take that thing?
No. He's a thief.
Why? But he come here, he didn't dodge.
Yes, because there wasn't consent that was given.
They're coming here
the
to
ownership.
He show consent for you that I'm here, I'm taking this, so I'm taking this so nobody say anything. It's a form of consent. Oh,
No, that is not a form
Okay,
of
so
consent.
let me help.
If the owner,
have him.
Wait, okay, finish your eyes.
that is not a form of consent if the owner doesn't, through conduct or through express permission, give whatever goods to the person.
The time they touch my woman here and they touch and smack, what permission did he give? The owner?
Well, Your Honor, clearly, my client stated that he thought it was his wife. And if it is your wife, it is assumed that, this is something that is a marriage. So you can touch your wife, and if your wife says no, you would leave it. And that's according to my client.
So the man who come and steal the thing, he think that is for his father. Then he steal the thing. So is he a thief or he take father?
We
No, Your Honor.
are dragging this too much.
Even that, let me address that quickly.
No,
now,
we don't
even that, Your Honor, if the person thought it was for his father, and he takes it and says, "Oh, this is for my father," he takes it away with no intent of stealing or taking it away, Your Honor, that could also suffice as mistake or fact.
Okay, no problem. So let's not drag this.
So he can go and sit down.
Yes.
Please, let's call the woman. Beautiful woman.
Oh, take him.
Yes, I'll take. You to help her small. So that Punisher will not. Please. Somebody's in there. Wait.
Oh, wait there.
Somebody there. Move
and let the princess come inside.
Hi.
My friend. Hey, go back. If you bring better people, you get better people to work with. Go.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Oh,
you.
talk loud.
Your Honor, we cannot hear her.
I am fine, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Wow. What's your name?
Very fine. Very, very fine.
He is not fine.
Yes, he is.
Cancel.
Your Honor.
Cancel.
Very fine. Extremely.
Can I do this and go home?
Please do.
So you are sometimes the things you do. How do you?
It's okay, he has stopped. Go on.
Are you okay? You feel fine?
Enough of the salutations. Go on.
After the thing happened, you all know the thing that has happened. How were you feeling?
I was traumatized.
I didn't hear that.
I was traumatized.
The house that you live in, what kind of house is that?
A demonic home.
Demonic. Are you also possessed somehow?
No, I am not.
You are the only one.
I'm
Your
not at
Honor,
all.
they say that house is a single room, self-contained. So when your brother-in-law and his wife are there, you see them.
Yes.
Your sister is around, so that we see that you are twins or something.
No, she's not around today.
You and your sister, who is more beautiful?
To be quite honest, I am.
So as you come and stay with them, do you think that this man, he have eyes for you, but he can't say?
Sometimes he looks at me, but he never talks. And anytime I match eyes with him, he turns his face. So I knew something was suspicious.
Are you friends in the house, you and him? Are you okay in the house?
We just say hello, hi to each other.
So you talk to each other?
Yeah, but that's it. Hello, hi. And everybody goes their way. We don't have any conversation.
Hello, hi. Are you testing microphone in the house?
Okay, carry on, please. Ignore him.
You were watching TV and you fall asleep.
Yes.
Somebody touch your leg. Did you hear it?
No.
Somebody touch your hip. Did you hear it?
No.
There was a smackdown. Did you hear it?
No.
At what time did you hear something for you?
The time his eyes were rolling back.
Whose eyes?
His eyes. He was on top of me, and I woke up all of a sudden, and when I looked in his face, his eyes were rolling back.
Okay, finish it.
And I screamed.
You screamed?
Yes.
But no help from anywhere?
No.
You tell him to stop?
No, I didn't tell him to stop.
So that means the scream is different. So the scream like, hey!
Yeah. I did not speak to him because I promised myself and swore to my dog that passed away, my puppy, my Chihuahua. I swore to my puppy that I will never speak to him in my life. So when he was on top of me, I could not tell him to get off of me because I swore that I would never speak to him.
Hana.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah. Na pomo e.
Yeah, me ado.
Bi ga boko.
Be
Oh,
yeah.
Ebe.
So wait, let me understand this. He touched you. You actually felt it.
The last part.
The last part, you felt it.
Yes.
And you saw it was him.
Yes.
But you decided not to talk.
Yes, because I made a promise to myself.
Because you made a promise that you won't talk to him again.
Yes, and I swore to my puppy, my
So he's
Chihuahua
doing
who
something
passed
to you.
away, that I would never speak to him.
He is doing something to you you don't like. Something as serious as that. And you said because of your swearing.
Chihuahua.
But Your Honor, you do covenant.
Your
with
Honor
God.
is talking. Your Honor is talking. Keep quiet.
Your Honor, you do covenant with God before. If you do covenant with God and you disobey God, God will strike you. This one, he said that I do covenant with my God. So
And
if God is
my
his God,
Cancel.
a God,
Dog.
And you allowed him to finish. The day passed. You didn't say anything. Then later you bring him to court.
Yes.
we come on somewhere.
Liezer-Legacy Productions, producers of Kejetia vs. Makola, in partnership with Joy Prime, presents The Play.
Look here, we cannot blame Boateng for having a lover who all this while was pretending to be my lover so that you will not suspect. While I was your lover pretending to be her lover so that Boateng will not suspect.
Come watch this breathtaking comedy by Liezer-Legacy, starring Clemento Suarez, NGO, General Ntatia, and many more.
The Play movie train stops in Kumasi at the Royal View Cinemas from the 29th of April to the 3rd of May. At the Silver Bed Cinemas at the West Hills and Accra Mall from 11th of June. Rate is a cool 50 Ghana cedis. You can also catch the special viewing of the play at the Platinum Bay Hotel at Bokobi on the 30th of April. Going for a cool 150 Ghana cedis with special refreshments.
For ticket reservation, call or WhatsApp 020-129-2000 or 055-250-5073. The Play. You play me, I play you.
We come catch somewhere, Your Honor. Let me see if I can do something small.
Try.
You have a boyfriend?
No.
You don't have a boyfriend. So it means it's a long time you have done something. True or false?
True.
True. You miss it. Okay. The place that you have sleep is a one room, right?
Yes.
So where do you sleep?
I sleep on a mattress.
At the hall.
Sometimes at the hall.
Good. And they sleep in their bedroom.
Yes.
Good. Has there been one day like this that your brother say, oh, today I bring my wife to the hall to come and do the thing there?
No.
No. Your Honor, I want to put him on record that this man here has never come to hall to come and do the thing. So why is it that you come and see something at the hall, you come and take what not for you? Why? Why, my brother? Why?
Because I think it's for me.
Okay, so let's do this. Cancer, are you not tired?
I promise.
Your Honor, Afufuro,
Please, I want to do aka with you. Don't talk to me ever again.
she beg. Let's consider. Because where the thing have come, we have to do something by our means. And Your Honor, we know that Your Honor is corrupt. He will do something about this.
Your Honor, let me ask him one thing. You feel that he will kill you, that's why you don't talk?
No. I told you, I promised and swore to my Chihuahua that I will never talk to him in my life.
Okay, why you swear you swim to your chihuahua. Why?
What happened? What
Why?
happened?
Why? What's the history?
Because he's a drunkard.
You don't
And
talk to
every time he comes home, he's always using my sister, making her scream all over the house. And I'm tired of it.
Your Honor, that is why if you remove the mushroom, then you show the mountain. If you
Okay, all right. I think you guys are done. You gentlemen,
Yes.
please.
So, Your Honor, I want him to note him that it's not that he didn't want to do the thing because he didn't want to scream, but Your Honor, because of the pain that this man here has seen what this man have done to his sister. That's why that he said that you have hurt my sister so much that if you take your takum, you must handle my sister, you open my sister anyhow. So because of that, I have swim with my chihuahua to not talk to you again. So not intentional that he like it. But maybe you miss it small, but it's okay. Your Honor, not him.
Okay, you have questions.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think we can end this.
Hi. Miss Turkson, how are you? You look like a very famous actress in Ghana. Her name is Haley. You know her? Okay. Well, tell us, Miss Turkson, when the act was going on, while it was going on, did you realize that he didn't realize it was you?
No, he knew it was me.
I didn't hear that.
Objection, Your Honor.
Wait.
He knew.
Wait, he knew?
How did
Yes.
you know he knows?
Your Honor,
Counsel.
the client have said that he see at the point that it's not his wife. He said already. So why you come and ask me?
Wait. Go again, please. And project when you speak.
Yes, I'm asking, while it was going on, while you realized it was your sister's husband that was on you, that you were not liking it and, you wanted to tell him to stop, but you're at loggerheads. Did you know, or did you realize he knew it was you or not?
To me, he realized it was me.
You thought you knew or you thought?
I thought he knew it was me.
Objection, Your Honor.
Counsel.
Your Honor, the client has said.
Will you
already
sit
that
down? Why do you-
He know.
Objection overruled. Sit down.
Your Honor, you are biased.
Hey, lawyer.
He don't understand bias, please. We beg you.
It means that you are a good mind for this case.
Please.
So, you were not even sure whether or not he knew it was you.
She's made a point. She said that.
I wanted to
She
be
said
clear.
that we don't have all day, counsel.
No, you're not. She thought. So you were not sure, right?
To my knowledge, he knew it was me
How did you know that?
from his reaction.
What was his reaction?
The way he screams in the bedroom with her is different than when he was with me.
So what was the scream in the bedroom and how was his scream? Demonstrate to us.
I can't demonstrate that here.
In the bedroom, he did. But in here, he's a I know this man.
Your Honor, so clearly, even her, she did not even know, she wasn't even sure whether or not he knew it was her. So, Your Honor, this was a clear case of mistaken identity. Clear case of mistaken genitalia. Thank you. As my client will put it. Your Honor, please. We know that this has occurred, and we beg your lovely and merciful self to see this defense and rule in our favor. And for you, you need a boyfriend. Please, see me in my chambers, okay? I'll help you.
You help me, Greg.
Your Honor.
All right. So please.
Your Honor.
Please, counsel, sit.
Please, one more.
No one more. Sit. Counsel. The name again?
Marian.
What?
Marian.
Mariel?
Yeah.
Marian.
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 Marianne.
Marian.
Marry him.
I was very interested in your case, but why? What is the problem? Why would you let this happen to you? Are you all right?
Your Honor, I'm very all right.
You are very all right?
Yes.
This is yours. For heaven's sake, this is your sister's husband.
Yes. That's why we are here.
That is not why we are here. We are here because you allowed it to happen.
Cool down.
We are here because you allowed this to happen. At least draw his attention so you give us.
Your Honor, I did that when I screamed.
It was too late. More than 5 inches was inside already. So that one there.
Counsel, that is not an excuse.
It is.
No.
Your Honor,
Counsel.
rape, if you do the crime, you rape. So if you go, they're more than rape.
Yes. So
Yes.
if the person in the middle of it asks you to stop and you still don't stop, it's still seen as rape.
Before you enter Kola, it's rape.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So
whether the person says stop or not, that's why they say that 16 and above. The 15, 14, if he himself call you, say, come and do me, or Olumai, come and do me, they will catch you. That one, the children
Cancel.
call you. He say, Daddy, I like it. So that one there, Your Honor.
Marianne,
Yes, Your Honor.
this is very unfortunate. Very, very, very unfortunate that you let this happen. But legally, my hands are tied. Everything he says is proof that he didn't know it was you. At least you should have done something. Give us more ammunitions to make this easy for all of us.
Sir.
But you sit there and then even scream a scream that we don't know. If
I
it
know.
was.
I know, Your Honor.
What was the
I
scream?
know the stream. Your Honor.
All right, please
So-
sit. Sit,
So
sit.
the way you talk that thing, if you are a mumu and they do this to you,
Please.
how you go say stop?
You must be very traumatized, but we are here to help, okay? You see, some of these things happen. And as a legal counselor, I can also counsel you in other ways. You would be
Your Honor, you
beneficial
know
for
when
you.
they say egg and snap? If you know in this area, show me.
It's unfortunate, but please, for the first time, we are struggling with this case. We don't want this to go out there because of how sensitive it is and appear as if we are blaming the woman. Yes, maybe she could have done something. Maybe she didn't. But in this case, she's also the victim. And many times in our courts, this has been the posture. Or in our society, this has been the posture. Shifting the blame on the victim. We do not want to pronounce judgment on this case. We want to leave it with you. We want to start a conversation in our society about these things. Maybe the man genuinely made a mistake. Whichever way we look at it, the woman was still touched in ways now we know she wasn't happy about or happy with. What do you think my court should do? Or if this happened in your court as a lawyer, what would be your arguments? If this happened or this case came to your court as a judge, what would be your judgment? These same facts, these same arguments by the lawyers, tell us what we should do. We can't wait to read your comments. We can't wait to learn from your comments. We can't wait for society to learn from the comments you write. Thank you very much.
and a dream ukuto. Africa, sepe juma poa, it is whom you know. Arehukuti, nashe makumado. Ehu Afrikenya buano, Ehu Afrikenya buano, Ehu Afrikenya buano, Ehu Afrikenya buano na ya kolo. Let us all unite and celebrate together. The victories won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together to defend our liberty and unity. Oh, 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 sons and daughters of Africa, flesh of the sun and flesh of the sky. Let us make Africa the tree of life. Oh, 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 la, eh, 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 oh, la, eh, 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 oh, la, eh, eh, yeah, oh, la, eh, eh, eh. Let us all unite and
let us all unite and talk together.
To give the best we have to Africa. Creator of mankind and found of culture. Our pride and